Hello everyone, I'm here just going to do a quick unboxing with you guys. I have a quick purchase that I made from Creuset and just going to unbox it with you guys quickly. So I went ahead and I purchased the two, I believe they're called Heritage, they're part of the Heritage line, pie plates. Now on the site they had the option that you could purchase one, obviously one would suffice, right? But they also bundled them and provided an option for you to purchase two together. And so I elected to get the two because why buy one when you can get two? The price, I'm not really remembering how much I paid, but you folks can always, go to the site if you're interested in price. So this is the colorway, that I collect. I've said it many times on this channel. It's the Oyster. I hope that the lighting is doing this justice. So this is the Oyster color, and it has that same gradient. I guess you could say hues of gray. Same style as what it would be the cookware and any other thing that any of the other items that you purchase that are in the Oyster color. And so the dimensions on these pie plates, I believe these are 9-inch pie plates. And they're about 2 inches, 2¼ inches thick. I hope the lighting is really picking up how beautiful these things are. And so again, I hosted Thanksgiving again this year, but I had some people over the night before and was actually more people than I anticipated. And while I do have quite an extensive serveware collection, I was kind of lacking in hoping or wishing that I should say wishing, right? That I had more of the same colorway as the cookware and all the other things that I have from this brand. And so I went online and thought, oh, I'll get the pie plates. They're beautiful. I personally don't have any pie plates right now in my collection from this brand or any other brand. So I thought that it would be a good investment for me. It made sense. And why get one when you can get two? And so these are really deep. I think that obviously you can use these for more than just baking pies. I'm going to be making a banana pudding, hence the bananas and the cookies and stuff that are out. I'm going to be making a banana pudding. That's kind of like a favorite of ours around here. And I'm going to be using one of my pie plates. I hope to be able to record that for you guys. I still don't have a tripod. I have not invested in a tripod. As inexpensive as they are, I still have yet to invest. But nonetheless, I'll do my best to try and incorporate some footage of the process. Yeah, so leave your comments below if you have these. And, are they serving you well? Obviously, these are not part of the cast iron. This is part of their stoneware collection. And so this is not something that you can start off on the top of the stove and then move into the oven. These are, it's solely made for oven use, okay? I know you guys knew that, but we may have some people on here watching that just aren't familiar with cookware and how it works. So, yeah, so okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope everyone is doing well. I miss you guys. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.